Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. This is Oral and Altia channel. Altia Oral. See Altia here, guys. See Oral here. I'm sure no Altia. Altia there. So
everybody
guys,
don't know how old this. Boss, you don't know.
So guys, we just there and we are sending some love to Volcano. Yes guys,
Volcano,
today is official
boss.
Volcano TV. Guys, if you don't have him, grab
Run
him.
over to his boss, you know. And birthday, give him some enough love for him earth strong today, guys. You don't know what things said.
So yes guys, so just run over, show him some love for his birthday, wish him happy birthday, and make him know say we really appreciate him. And them thing there, big strong supporter. Yeah, Volcano always have our back, and you don't know so we have your back to, you know, Volcano. Yeah, but you know through curfew, them big celebration they can't go on, not curfew, corona. But you don't know anything set already. Just big up yourself and your earth strong. And we just pray God continue to shine his blessing upon you to live to see many, many, many more years. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Woo! Woo!
Big up yourself,
It's
brother.
Volcano birthday. Go Volcano, it's a birthday. You're gonna party like it's your...
So link up and drink some liquor and enjoy yourself.
So guys, just a little short video where I make. So Volcano, big up yourself on your earth strong. I don't know, so it come from Oral and Altia. Enough love, brother. Alright?